Corruption scandals are shaking investor confidence and raising fears that they could derail the Philippines' economic momentum. Experts warn that if these issues persist, the country risks lower growth, higher borrowing costs, and inflationary pressures that will hurt both businesses and households. Jin Kim has the details.
So the more frequent we see corruption headlines, then it actually veers away the appetite of investors to the Philippines.
Investor confidence in the Philippines is on shaky ground as corruption scandals threaten to weaken economic momentum. Experts warn that if the controversies persist, the country's gross domestic product could shrink by 3 to 5 percentage points, a loss that would set back development goals and undermine recovery. The constant stream of corruption headlines is chipping away at the appetite of foreign investors. Capital flight is a real risk, and once funds exit the country, foreign exchange markets will be among the first to absorb the impact. A depressed peso would translate into costlier imports, sparking price surges across essential goods and pushing inflation higher.
With the ghost projects, with the certain issues, capital flight, it's actually slashing out productivity. So it would manifest in slower economic growth, slower productivity.
Corporations are not immune. Listed conglomerates, banks, and even smaller firms are increasingly exposed to governance risks.
They are very much exposed. It would certainly affect their earnings because the corruption issue, there will be a tendency for us to pause operations, pause the developments of new projects, and slow down in these kinds of activities.
This vulnerability reaches beyond short-term gains. The country's ambition to become a trillion-dollar economy and achieve upper-middle income status is on the line.
If corruption issues hounds the productivity of the economy, then the upper middle income status could be pushed forward because again of the leakages that are not really contributing to productivity.
Fiscal reforms are also undermined. Rivera says when taxpayers see their contributions funneled into ghost projects and anomalous transactions, trust in revenue collection crumbles. Jin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.